Hey, this is Bobby Hite, and I am standing in front of a property in Madison, which is 25-30 miles north of Nashville. This is a property that I bought 25 years ago. I had a duplex on the property, and about a year ago, the duplex caught fire because of a central heat and air unit. It was a total loss, and the point of the video is to kind of give you an idea of what new construction costs in today's market looks like. For example, I have a lot of clients that are looking for their first rental investment. They might have a vacant lot they could build something on for a rental investment. And this is a 1,200 square foot home that probably cost me around $190 a square foot. So I probably have less than $200,000 tied up in the construction costs on this particular property. Now that does not include the cost of the lot, because I had the lot and I was able to subdivide with Metro. So we built two houses back to back, and we'll do a tour on both houses, and I'll give you an idea of what 1,200 square foot in today's market looks like for a rental investment under $200,000, brand new construction. I want to give you an idea of the interior of this 1,200 square foot home. It was built as a rental house to keep for long-term investment. The interior of the home, as you see the floor, it's LVT, which is not a new product, but it's been out 3 or 4 years now, luxury vinyl tile. It looks like hardwood, but it's waterproof. So you can actually put it in the kitchen, bedrooms, bathrooms, and has very low maintenance. So that's the product that we use for the flooring. Pretty basic floor plan. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You can see the open area, the living room with the kitchen. The bathrooms are not tile bathrooms to keep the expense down. 1,200 square feet. The rental on this property in Madison would probably be in the $1,600 a month range. This is the master bedroom. Again, it's not very large because we're only working with 1,200 square foot home. I did not build this house to resell it in the open marketplace. I built it to keep it for long-term investment. So I went with the interior, basic floor plan, basic square footage, minimum square footage. But this master bedroom has a really nice master bathroom, walk-in closet, and private area, as you can see in here, with shower and tub enclosure. Again, I do want to point out, it's not tile, it's just an exclosure to keep the cost down. And if you move in back to the great room, the 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house with a bathroom off the hallway. Windows are good, lots of light, lots of space. Apparently this gray color is a pretty popular color in the marketplace right now. The flooring, I think, turned out great. Actually, if you look out here, there's 2 properties built back to back. So I've got 2 properties on this one lot, exact same floor plan, built with hardy board construction. One color is going to be a dark blue, one color is going to be a dark gray. So the 2 properties will separate with 2 different colors.